viewers, welcome back to my channel Cook and Bake Street. Today we are going to make something Italian and the recipe is cheesy, creamy white sauce pasta. So if you like the recipe, then hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends too. So let's start. As a very first ingredient, I have taken 100 gram organic whole wheat pasta in fusilli shape. You can take any other shape or any other pasta. I prefer this one because this is good for health. After this, I'll be boiling it in rolling boiling water and will cook it 80% in that water. As you can see that the water has started to boil, so I'll be adding my pasta to this now. I'll cook it till it gets 80% cooked. Our pasta is boiling now. I'm not going to add any oil to this because that is recommended only in case your pasta is fresh, but we are using dry pasta, so it's not recommended. Now this pasta is boiled enough, so we'll drain the water out and we'll wash it with cold water too. I have heated some oil in fry pan. Now I'll be adding approximately 10 to 12 garlic cloves to this. I have finely chopped it. Now it's done as per our requirement. So we'll be adding onion to this. I have diced onion. Now I'll be adding corn to this. We don't have to fry it too much. We just need to cook it a bit. After that, I'll be adding 2 colors of bell pepper. I have diced it in squares. Then I have capsicum. And now we have carrot. We'll cook all these things together. Not too much, but just a bit. Everything is fried properly, so I'll turn off the flame and I'll take the mixture out in a plate. I have melted 3 tablespoons butter here and I'll be adding 2 tablespoons of maida in this. A bit more than 2 tablespoons is also acceptable. So let's just mix it properly. We don't have to cook it too much. We just need to cook it a bit. Now it is cooked as we wanted. Now we'll be adding milk to this. We have to add 500 ml milk slowly, but together with that we have to take care of the consistency as there should not be any lump in this mixture. Our sauce is ready. It's creamy and thick enough now. So we'll be adding salt to this. You can add salt as per taste. And then we'll mix all our veggies. Now I'll be adding all the pasta to this mixture. We have to mix everything properly and cook it for some time, approximately 3-4 minutes at medium flame. Now our pasta is properly cooked, so we'll be serving it. So first thing, we'll take a layer of pasta. We'll spread it properly in the base. And after that, after the first layer, we'll be adding cheese to this. This is cheddar cheese. We have to spread a layer of cheddar cheese too. Then we'll be adding another layer of pasta. I had shredded the cheese. Now we have to garnish it with chili flakes and some oregano and black pepper. So it's ready to be served now.